Okay, hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 2486. That is append characters to make string make to make subsequence. Okay, my bad. Yeah, in this we'll be given two strings S and T consisting of only lowercase English letter, and we have to return the minimum number of characters that need to be appended to the end of S so that T can become a subsequence of S. Okay, so we are having a subsequence is a string that can be derived from other strings by deleting some or no characters without changing the relative order of the meaning of the remaining characters. Okay, for example, we are having the string coaching and coding, so we need to what are the characters that we need to append on the end of S to make it a subsequence, so that T is a subsequence of S. So for even CO, these both are the same. So at the end, we just need to append DING, that is the length. So the number of characters are 4. Okay, so we just need to return the number of characters which are required to we need to append. Okay, for this we'll be having a two pointer approach. We'll be keeping one pointer on S and one pointer on T. Okay, so now while SP is less than S dot length and TP is less than T dot length. Okay, and now what we'll be doing is we'll be checking that if my sp dot char at oh sorry s dot char at sp is equal to t dot char at tp. Okay, and let me just change this. In this case, what I'll be doing is I'll be incrementing both sp plus plus and also tp plus plus. Basically, tp and sp are the pointer to s string and t string. Else, I just need to increment the sp. Okay, and my total answer will be t dot length minus my where my p pointer is currently. Okay, and now let's run it. Okay, I guess I made a mistake. It should be tp instead. Yeah, because yeah, it should be tp because at the end that will be our answer. Yeah, and it's accepted. I'll submit it. Yeah, and it was probably fine. Okay, so this way it would be. Thank you for watching.